Have you just had your home renovated? You must be excited to move back in. But don't be in such a rush, there could be a mess waiting for you there. Renovations leave behind some issues that make things difficult when you need to do a deep clean. So let's have a closer look at what makes renovation cleanups so challenging. First, the type of home you have can affect the amount of cleaning you do. If you own an HDB flat or a condominium, you likely have to pay more attention to your windows and balconies. Meanwhile, a landed property may involve cleaning larger floor areas and more outdoor spaces. The second main struggle is all the dust and dirt that the renovation leaves behind. They can settle in crevices and corners that you might not notice at all. But the bigger problem is this dust is made up of particles from cement, silica, wood shavings, and other construction materials. Not only is ordinary cleaning not enough to get rid of these, but you'd also risk your health if you don't at least have a mask on. And there's also the issue with stubborn stains and marks. No doubt you'll find paint splatters and residue from adhesives. You have to be careful with the methods and cleaning solution you use so you don't damage new surfaces. And the biggest challenge of all? Cleaning after a renovation on your own means you probably don't have specialized tools for the job. You'd only stress yourself by just using household cleaning supplies. All the hurdles we've talked about are great reasons why it's best to call in cleaning experts for post-renovation cleanups. They already have the equipment and training to save you time, effort, and a lot of headaches. All you have to do is wait for them to finish before you can start moving back in. A little extra spending on a cleaning crew can go a long way to making sure your home is ready for your family to live comfortably in. Thanks for watching, and I hope today's topic helped you. Feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more home cleaning tips.